Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and we are checking out this electric air duster from Seauto. This is a really handy product. Obviously, when you think about electric dusters, at least for me, I think about cleaning out computers and especially keyboards. And of course, this is perfect for doing that, but it does so much more, especially around the house. And it's just a really handy thing to have. It's about the size of my iPhone, comparing. Fits right in the palm of your hand. It's super lightweight and it has a pretty impressive battery life depending on your functions. You can use this for up to, I think it's over an hour at a time. It does have 3 different levels, so you can go all the way into turbo mode or you can do a little bit lighter, and then of course the medium. You've got your on off here in the back and you've got kind of a play pause right here in the front. You'll be able to see the battery light indicator down here at the bottom. And speaking of battery, it charges up right here. It uses a USB-A, so super convenient and ready to charge wherever. This does come with a lot of accessories. For example, you've got your different attachments right here, and all they do is you're gonna look for the little notches, line them up, put them in, screw it on, screw it off. Super easy, and you can change those out depending on the job that you're using this for. Now, of course, like I said, this is really great for cleaning out your computer keyboard, but it does so much more. You can really dare to blow anything, like they said. You're gonna be able to, I use this oftentimes around my house to clean up cat litter, to clean up dust, dirt, and debris around the house, to dust off shelves. Definitely, I love using this to clean out drawers. I don't know if you guys are like me, but my silverware drawer always ends up super dirty and weird. I don't know what's going on with that. And drawers are very notoriously hard to dust out and get all that stuff out. But with an air duster, it makes it super simple to make sure every drawer in your home is nice and clean. Every corner of your home is nice and clean. I also love being able to take this and clean out the car. So, you know, down in your cup holders, in your upholstery, in the little nooks and crannies of your car that can be difficult to clean, but this is something that is going to take all of the guesswork out of that. So let me show you these accessories that we were talking about. It comes with this nice little bag. You can of course store the device itself in there and keep this all together, whether you want to keep this in your car, in your office, or with your other home cleaning supplies. You can keep everything nice and together. Again, lots of power, but in a small package. It comes with, I believe, 5 different types of heads. So depending again on the job that you're doing, you'll have lots of options, all of these. And then the one that we have on there, of course, it comes with that charging cable as well. And it also comes with these 2 little brushes to help you clean out either your, computer keyboard, and also be able to clean this out as well. It also comes with a little wristlet. So while you're using this, you can put it around your wrist and be good to go. I also figured out that with this little attachment, the long nose one here, this is absolutely perfect for blowing up all of your inflatable items. So for example, we are having a little New Year's Eve party in the next coming days, and I ordered 16 they're blow up inflatable disco balls, and I'll show you guys this on the screen. I got them, I tried blowing them up by mouth, and oh my goodness, it took forever. I was winded, I was lightheaded. I was like, I've got to find a solution for this. And luckily this little guy came in the mail. I was able to easily inflate all 16 of those balls like in only, a couple minutes, and it saved me and my lungs from having to really stress to blow those up. So again, this is perfect for like an air mattress, something when you have guests or you're camping, or even your inflatable pool toys for the summer. Really great option right here. This kind of does it all. It's going to help you keep your keyboard clean, which is going to extend the life of your laptop or your computer. It's going to be able to clean so many different things around the home, clean out your car, save you a bucket of cash on those detailing bills because you're able to do that yourself. and definitely help you with all of your inflatables. This is super high quality as well. Not only does it have a long battery life, it charges up quickly. It has overheat protection to make sure that when it is charging or in use, that it's not going to overheat. It will automatically shut off before that happens. And it has a brushless motor, which you can think of basically as being a superior motor that has fewer parts, and fewer parts means that even with continued use over years and years, it's not going to break down. Really love this company, love this design. You even have a nice little grip right here on the side to make it easy to hold. Great product, great thing for cleaning around the house, and just kind of one of those things that anybody could use, so it makes a great gift idea. I love this one. I think you guys are going to love it as well. I'm going to leave all of the links and information in the description below, so you can go ahead and check it out and get to shopping. Adios, amigos.